Doing another one of me destroying the laptop. Okay. Here. Now, as you can tell from here, it's fixed. Here, let me fix it more. I'm fixing the shit out of it, guys. It's fixed. Don't worry. Just gotta fix that part up. Yeah, fixed. That's fucking really fixed. Let's be honest. See, and you guys can tell it's still on. It might not turn on now. Guys, it's still on. Guys, it's still on. And, well, I mean, like, of course it'd still be on. It's fixed. Yep. Fixed. Completely fixed. And it still turns on. Holy fuck. I've broken the shit out of this. There's no monitor. And it still turns on. I mean, I fixed the shit out of this. And, yeah. Look at this shit. Well, I'm gonna go clean it up. Show you that it's fixed. And, yeah, hope you enjoy, like, and subscribe. I'm not editing because I'm sick. Maybe next I might teach you how to fix it with fire. Who knows? Bye.